4-8-2-5. And ito, papasa natin doon sa gising na gising. Si Ivy Remulla with another report.
Thank you, Ian. Basta ikaw kasama ko, gising na gising talaga ako. Anyway, so San Sebastian is now showing some signs of life after winning the third set, and Coach Roger told the Lady Stags that they should maintain their blocking and coverage as this helped a lot for the third set win. Meanwhile, for the Lady Eagles, they just need to watch out for the key spikers of San Sebastian and work on their defense. Back to you guys.
Alright, Ivy, sabi ni Mozi mo, gising na gising.
Ako naman.
9-6. And
Yama, Ivy, mamaya bubugbugin natin ito si Doc.
and with the way that the Lady Stags are playing, it's like really they need to pick it up. Maganda na yung nangyari nung third set di ba? Dapat sana sinimulan nila. So now it's a bit shaky what we're seeing, right?
But Minnesota just taking a point.
Ooh, nice. For
Erratic,
Alisa.
no? They're playing erratic.
Erratic,
Just
very.
when we thought yung set number 3 at least will pump up their blood
Yeah.
and they have gotten their groove back. But still, of course, it's a long way to go in this fourth set. Let's see.
Ooh.
Manon into the net. It's just a 2-point lead actually for the Lady Eagles.
Mhm.
And now it's again Sherry Rose and Sue Roses in front.
And now we hear the band of the Lady Stags San Sebastian banging away because for the first two sets, talagang tahimik na tahimik sila.
They've been kept quiet, silenced by the Lady Eagles.
Oh, nice save from...
At napaganda pa. She gives it to Cherry Rose Makatangay and, you know, Cherry Rose just taking it.
Look at Lazaro.
Dive for that ball.
Still tried though. Raising her hand. Bahala na.
Oh.
Baka tumama dito yung bola.
Malay
Di
mo.
malay nyo. Oh, nice save from Belen.
But this time it's Christini's turn for that gift over reception.
See, now Ateneo is in a dogfight with the Lady Stags. Hindi ngayon sila makalayo.
Hindi sila makapull away. Especially with the front line of San Sebastian.
Zane Roses dug up by Z. Another drop shot. Belen getting that ball and keeping it in play.
Oh, and Cassini with a running hit. Although Roses and Makatangay were already there, still, Cassini was able to find that open area between the blocker and the net.
And I can see Belen grimacing in pain after that dive. And trying to hold on. See, there's a bit of pain that she's feeling right now after that dive, after that excellent save. Burbano safely over.
Oh, combination play. Burbano digging that one.
Crisostomo with an excellent dig. Cherry Mata!
Oh! Solid block. Single-handedly denying.
Look at how
Makatangay
Cassini
is
waits.
Cassini.
Waits for this. There you go. That last minute wave to the left.
Offensive block.
Diretsong bagsak yung
Cassini.
bola. To Zane Roses with her own version of that running spike.
Same 1 point, diba? Same point. Sue now the back row. Ito pa rin, no? Just 2 points away. It's San Sebastian. To Ateneo.
Makatangay with a dig. She gets the ball back. Gets it through Cassini this time.
Gets one back from Cassini.
Using the right angle.
Now using even Cassini
Hindi
for
na
that
inabot.
hit.
Hindi na inabutan ni Cassini. Masyado na siyang malayo.
Ganda ng angle ni Makatangay.
A push there from Cassini.
Once again, Makatangay cannot be with only one hit.
13 all in set number 4 after Ateneo taking the first 2 sets, almost nearly finishing off San Sebastian in 3 sets. Now they find themselves,
Struggling.
struggling here in
Diba?
set number 4.
Point by point. Trying to get it. Kanina, easily At will. Almost scoring at will. But kaiglit. On that open hit. Ito yung snapping of the wrist na sinasabi natin. Perfectly executed by Phil Caiglet. Is really
Boom.
close to the
Ganda.
net. At yun na nga
Ganda.
pwede niyang gawin. Yung
Ganda.
follow through. Well, Cassini, 13 attack points so far, 9 block points, and a
Wow.
serve to her name.
That is outside from Jem Ferrer. Tied again at 14.
Now, Ateneo having a hard time to pull away, unlike the previous sets.
Sherry now serving. Dug up or received by Lazaro.
Ateneo connects on a combination play. Well, speaking about Makatangay, 11 attack points and 3 receptions for Makatangay.
Ateneo is up by 1, 15-14. Makatangay. They get it back to Cruz. Dug up by Valdez. Patlogon gets a hand on it. They go back to Valdez, who tips it over. Gets it.
And because of hand time and that vertical leap, Valdez is able to take that last point via this push, this soft tip.
Over the block, and it is Ateneo going into the second technical timeout. Only by 2, 16-14.